Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the Torq TCM-1011 servo. Yes, it is another Torq servo. This is the third one that I have a chance to review. We're going to talk about it, not much, because I really don't know all the specs. So I will leave a link in the description box below where you can check it out. You can check out all the specs, good features, and what it actually fits. Alright, here is the servo itself. It is the Torq 1011, TCM-1011. It is beautiful anodized red with black. It is a micro servo. So this is all aluminum cased, all metal gears. The wire lead is out the back. Complete game changer. That's exactly what you need on these micro crawlers, just so the wire leads not out the side and it doesn't hit the frame rails. Gives maximum amount of clearance for the articulation that you want. I'm just going to read quick of what this will fit. They said this servo bolts in to the FuriTech FX118, Hobby Plus Evo Pro, Redcat ascent18, FMS FCX24, and the FMS FCX18. You can put this on the SCX24, but you have to get a different servo tray, which I'm pretty sure this fits the EMAX servo tray. So if you have that, this should bolt in no problem, because this looks identical to a Reefs 99. But if you want to use this with the FCX and FMS stuff, you are going to have to purchase this, which is a wire lead, just so you can plug it in here. Then this will actually go into the receiver for the FMS and FCX stuff. But I don't have one of those, so we're not going to install this today. You can also get a aluminum servo horn, which we're going to install because it's awesome and why not. So even though we have a Reefs 99 in this, I am going to toss the Torq servo in the Redcat ascent18. This still does have a stock servo tray, so if you want to know, the 99 fits in the stock servo tray. So we're going to take out the 99, we're going to put in this Torq servo, and we're going to test the performance of it. See, as you can see right here, it's kind of hard to see, but on the Reefs 99, the servo wires come out the side and it hits my shock. So with the wire lead coming out the back, it is definitely a large improvement, just so it does not hit anything on the side. So we're going to get this thing installed and I'll let you know how it fits. So I have the Reefs 99 out and I have the Torq servo right here. If you put them side to side, I would say that they are exactly the same. Exactly the same size, exactly the same mounting holes. The only difference is Torq's out the back, Reefs 99 is out the side. So all servos need to have it out the back because it is a complete game changer and it helps with that maximum clearance. But for size comparison, exactly the same, no different. Alright, so I got the servo installed, I got the servo horn installed. I'm running into a little dilemma because the horn came with two of these like bolts and a nut. I'm pretty sure they said this horn was maybe for the FCX24s and stuff like that. So with this, I'm gonna have to use the stock plastic servo horn, just because I don't want to put a nut and bolt through the lower part of the servo horn. I would have to nut and bolt the steering link to the servo arm, and I don't want to do that because I don't want the nut to actually hit the diff cover and cause the steering issues. So we're not going to nut and bolt that. We're just going to take this aluminum servo horn off, put the plastic one on, just so we can run our factory bolt through it and not have to worry about a nut on the backside. Alright, got everything installed. I just want to show you up close. So this is the servo horn and this is the nut and the bolt. So you would have had the steering link connect to here, and then it would have connected to the servo horn, and you would have had a nut and bolt it like this. So that's kind of a bummer. I didn't, like I said, I don't really know because I don't have an FCX24 or FMS anything. So I don't know if that's how they are or what, but I was kind of bummed I can't use the aluminum servo horn. I don't know why they wouldn't just give you the correct like bolt thread pitch to thread into the horn. Not sure, but either way, it's all done. I got the plastic horn, I trimmed it down, put the bolt in. So definitely has a good amount of speed. I'm gonna go in my FuryTech app and bump up the voltage a little bit, but as you can see, it has plenty of speed. As you can see, the wires aren't out the side. No more hitting. It's exactly what I wanted. Alright, 100% fully installed. Looks good. It's nice little red sitting under there. So I'm going to hold it like this, and we're going to test it. Jeez. It's got some power right there. See if I can hold the wheel straight. All right. That's pretty good. Pinch the wheels on the ground, making the whole body move. All right. I think that's a win in my book for this servo. Stay tuned for I don't know what, but speed. And I did try to go up on the voltage, but my ESC only lets me go to 6.5. But this servo can handle 8. That thing's probably an animal on 8, but so right now it's at 6.5. But I think that's plenty of power for these little ones, and this thing's not that heavy. I mean, it is kind of heavy, but it's not. So my final thoughts on this servo, I think it performs really well. I think it's $30 for just the servo. I think it's definitely worth the price. I'm gonna be testing this within the next week or so. I want to do a follow-up video with actual driving clips, so stay tuned for that video. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. But just wanted to get a video out there of the actual servo itself, and I'm always impressed. So like I said, this is my 3rd servo, and the first one that I ever got is still strong. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know I enjoy reading through all your feedback. I'll catch you guys in the next video.